Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Our recipe today is a warm and delicious tortilla soup recipe. This recipe is so delicious and it's so easy to put together. Let's get started. Over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then add 1 large diced onion. Saute your onion in your butter until it has become translucent for about 5 minutes or so. Meanwhile, let's get our chicken ready. I have 2 chicken breasts that I've diced up into cubes just like this. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fajita seasoning and 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. After sauteing your onions, add your chicken. Saute your chicken until it is fully cooked. After your chicken has fully cooked, add 2 12-ounce bags of frozen corn. Then add 1 28-ounce can of petit diced tomatoes. Then add half a cup of Taza brand tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of hot pepper paste. Give it all a good stir and mix everything well together. After it comes up to a boil like this, add 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Then I added half a cup of short grain rice. Mix them well. Then add 2 quarts of chicken broth. Stir everything together. We're going to wait for it to come up to a boil. As soon as it does, leave it slightly uncovered near the lid, and we're going to let it simmer between medium and low heat for about 30 minutes. And this is how my soup looks like after 30 minutes. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Give it a good stir, and your soup is ready to serve. Serve it with a side of tortilla chips. I like topping mine off with sour cream and shredded cheese. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.